Today I'm going to show you how you can use your couch to do some amazing stretches at home. Start by drawing your arms back toward the couch, and then we're going to gently rotate our head from one side to the other. The closer your arms are together behind you, the deeper the stretch, but just go to where it feels comfortable for you. Continue to breathe. Then we're going to tilt the ear toward the shoulder, tilting our head from one side to the other. Inhale to lengthen the back of the neck and exhale to tilt. Continue to breathe. From here, if you can reach a little bit further back together, then we're going to gently look up toward the ceiling and then exhale chin to chest and look down. And as we're doing these neck rotations, make sure to keep the spine nice and straight, the back straight, and the ribs stay drawing in toward the spine. Try not to flare those ribs. Next, we're going to turn onto our side. Have the leg facing the couch straight and the outside knee bent. And then take a lateral stretch over toward the couch. Breathe into that top rib cage so we can open in through the tops of the ribs, lengthening through the lats, stratus, opening the intercostals. And then we're going to rotate. So rotating toward the couch, feel the arms lengthen away from each other. We get to just use the couch here to assist us through the stretch. Continue to breathe through the ribs and the back. Keep lengthening. And we rotate the other way, opening through the front, looking over that back shoulder. Try to keep the shoulders relaxed. Continue to breathe and keep lengthening upwards. Try not to lean or tilt from one side to the other. And then we release and we repeat on the other side. The leg facing toward the couch extends. We laterally stretch over and breathe into that top rib cage. Obviously, if you choose to, you can hold these stretches for longer. Any tightness in the neck, just looking down. And we rotate facing toward the couch. Feel the arms lengthening away from each other. Try to keep the tops of the shoulders soft. And keep lengthening upward from the crown of the head out through the spine. Deep breaths here. Even feel that connection through the waist and the obliques as you rotate, opening the thoracic, lengthening the spine. And we rotate the other direction, facing the front. Feel once again the arms lengthening away. Look over that back shoulder. Continue to breathe and lengthen. With each inhalation, lengthen. With each exhalation, see whether you can deepen a little bit more. Move into the spaces of the body. And we're going to come lying on our back, bottom facing toward the couch, legs come up. We're going to come into a glute stretch, so we cross one foot over the other leg, allow the hips to sink down toward the ground. And the hips may not touch all the way down, but just do your best to lengthen the tailbone down and forward. Feel that stretch into the glute of the front leg. Continue to breathe and soften. And then we switch to the other side. And to make this stretch easier, we come further away from the couch. To make it deeper, we come closer to the couch. With each exhalation, just seeing whether you can lengthen that tailbone forward and down a little more. You may even find that you're slightly tighter on one side to the other. From here, we're going to take the legs wide. Adjust yourself if you need to come closer or further away. Allow the legs to go wide away from each other. Try your best to keep the thighs turning out and keep drawing the toes back and out. Deep breaths into that space. This adductor, inner thigh, groin and hip stretch can be quite strong. So just going to your point of control where you feel a stretch and not a strain. Keep softening through the back, the hips, the belly. And always making sure you can keep your face soft and you can keep your breath calm and smooth throughout your stretches. And then to finish, allow the legs just to hang over the top of the couch, the arms draw overhead, interlocking the wrists or the elbows, and just breathe and rest here. Having legs elevated up on something or even up on a wall is a great way to slow the body down, to to tap into our parasympathetic nervous system and to just simply give our legs a rest. So enjoy this moment. And thank you for joining.